gonna go up there. Last day of vacation, so it's gorgeous out. There's no smoke in the sky today. Check out the Front Range. So we're gonna go on the Mt Herman trail. I'm all deaded up. Yep. No sunburn for Greg today. Doctor said I should wear one of these floppy things, so okay. You ready?
Yep.
We'll see what other types of beauty we can see. All right.
We're up that way.
Okay, so after a slight malfunction, better known as user error, I was getting nothing out of here. Oh, that means it's closed, and I guess you got to go like that to open it up. So, 5 minutes ripping everything out of my backpack with great angst and words of discontent.
We figured.
Here, you figured it out, because I didn't. First crossroads. We don't know which way to go. Can you tell we haven't been hiking in a while? This is like straight up. No switchbacks. I don't like that. But look at the sky today. We haven't seen crystal clear blue sky in a month.
At least.
Drones are great fun, especially when you can fly them and not have to worry about hitting things. I don't know, like trees.
I crashed. I wrecked. Show everybody. See? Bad tree. Bad pilot. Oh well, we got some great shots. Now we get to see how well DJI support is.
Yeah.
Well, there's Colorado Springs. In the valley we came up. So we're going back down. This trail broke my drone. Stupid trail. And it was a nice little hike. So down we go. We're taking a different way down, we hope. Well, I know it's a different way, but hopefully, and we know it goes down. Hopefully it goes down to where we want to be. Worst case scenario, we just have to backtrack on the road a bit. That's not bad. This is a lot easier trail instead of going down there, down the gully. This one looks like it's going along the ridge a little ways. This would have been nice to have come up. Oh well.